Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to our YouTube channel with Course Academy, crash course for competitive exams. What are made and repaired by a goblin? And the answer is shoes. What is an endoscope used to examine? And the answer is the inside of the body. What color are the four stars on the flag of New Zealand? And the answer is red. How many states make up the United States of America? And the answer is 50 states, 5 territories and 1 district. In the medical profession, what do the initials GP stand for? And the answer is General Practitioner. Which English king married 6 times? And the answer is Henry VIII. Complete the title of play by Shakespeare. The Merchant of Dash Dash. And the answer is Venice. By what name is the TV adventurer Edward Michael Grylls more commonly known? And the answer is Bear Grylls. Bream and camembert are type of which food? And the answer is cheese. What type of creature lives in an apiary? And the answer is bee. Which British artist is famous for his spot paintings? And the answer is Damien Hirst. In which country was Adolf Hitler born? And the answer is Austria. The phrase three strikes and you are out originated from which sport? And the answer is baseball. Which English city is often abbreviated to Sodom? And the answer is Southampton. Which pair of superheroes are known as the dynamic duo? And the answer is Batman and Robin. The Great Barrier Reef lies off the coast of which country? And the answer is Australia. In the popular video game series, what type of animal is Sonic? And the answer is Hedgehog. In Tolkien's The Hobbit, what type of fictional creatures is Smaug? And the answer is dragon. Colombo is the largest city of which Asian country? And the answer is Sri Lanka. The underwater city of Bikini Bottom is the city for which popular children's cartoon? And the answer is SpongeBob SquarePants. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.